What's up, guys? In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix the Microsoft cannot save document error in Windows. First, open your document, then click File and select Save As. Choose a different location, such as your desktop or Documents folder, then try saving the file again. If it saved successfully, the problem is likely with the original folder. If the issue continues, close Microsoft Word, then open the Start menu. Search for Word, right-click Microsoft Word, and select Run as Administrator. Once Word opens, try saving your document again. If you're still unable to save the file, click File, then Options, and select Add-ins. At the bottom, choose COM Add-ins, and click Go. Disable all add-ins. Click OK, restart Word, and then try saving the document again. You should also check that your file name doesn't contain unsupported special characters and make sure the file isn't set to read only in its properties. And that's it. Those are some of the easiest ways to fix Microsoft Word cannot save document. If this video tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.